Hi again, everyone. I'm Mike Konrad, member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors, where I'm Vice President of Communications, back with you once again, this time for the SMTA update for the month of February 2025. Here's what's happening at SMTA. On Thursday, February 6th, the Austin chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum at the Travis County Exhibition Center in Austin, Texas. There will be a keynote presentation on the subject of creating HI, human interaction, in an AI world of manufacturing, presented by Tom Singer. There will also be a presentation entitled The Power of AI in Manufacturing and How It's Changing the Way We Operate by Joseph Mariskak from Pseudolabs. Also on Thursday, February 6th, the Houston chapter will host ION SMTA Hardware Meetup, Bridging Innovation and Production, aligning prototypists and electronic manufacturers to drive business growth. The speaker is John Martin from Martin Company. This event runs from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at the ION Prototype Lab in Houston, Texas. February seems to be a very popular month for SMTA events in Texas. On Friday, February 7th, the Dallas chapter will host a technical luncheon on the subject of solder joint voiding, causes and remedies, with Jerome McIntyre from Koki Americas. This event takes place at Abacus Italian Grill from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Don't miss the SMTA Wafer Level Packaging Symposium, February 18th through 20th at the Hyatt Regency San Francisco Airport in Burlingame, California. The development of advanced package technology is undergoing a massive change because electrical system architects are directly driving package performance requirements, something which has never happened before. Previously, system architects designed circuits around package limitations because pushing package technologies outside of their comfort zones often led to undesirable results. With the rise in transistor costs and the need to improve power efficiency, silicon architects have little choice but to push advanced package technologies well beyond their comfort zones. The Wafer Level Packaging Symposium will bring together the semiconductor industry's most respected authorities to address all aspects of wafer-level 3D device packaging, advanced manufacturing, and test technologies. This conference will feature attendees from around the globe in the heart of Silicon Valley to immerse themselves in the latest technology and business trends. On Wednesday, February 19th, the Oregon chapter will present a technical webinar on the subject of design PCBs for success. The speaker will be Matt Stevenson from Sunstone Circuits. This virtual event takes place from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Pacific Time. On Thursday, February 20th, the Ohio Valley chapter will present an in-person technical meeting on the subject of AI in manufacturing, what it is, and how it's used. The speakers are Dr. Vijayan Asari from the University of Dayton, Sean Buskila from Cyborg, and Nirav Jariwala from Arch Systems. This event runs from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and takes place at the Engineers Club of Dayton in Dayton, Ohio. Also on Thursday, February 20th, the Ontario chapter will present a technical webinar on the subject of advantages, benefits, and durability of stencil nanocoatings. The speaker will be Tony Lentz from FCT Solder. This webinar runs from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., so grab your lunch and get ready to learn. It's time again for the Space Coast Chapter Winter Golf Classic, Friday, February 21st, taking place at the Duran Golf Club in Viara, Florida. Breakfast and practice sessions begin at 7 a.m. and a shotgun start at 8:30 a.m. Lunch will be provided following the event. And on the other side of the world, also on Friday, February 21st, the SMTA Annual Taiwan Technology Forum will take place at the TPCA, Taiwan Printed Circuit Association, in Taoyuan City, Taiwan. This event brings together a wealth of industry knowledge to enable electronics manufacturers to solve today's critical IC packaging for AI application on server, PC, smartphones, as well as their quality and reliability issues. Participate in insightful technology presentations and gain valuable insights into the future of the electronics industry. This event runs from 9:30 a.m. to 5:10 p.m. On Thursday, February 27th, and every Thursday until April 17th, SMTA presents the Leadership and Communication Training Series. The instructor for this online event is Brian Stroh, a Maxwell Certified Leadership Team Speaker, coach, and trainer, and a DISC personality consultant. He provides customized leadership development that's fun and relevant so organizations can grow their teams and attract new people. This course will cover self-leadership, team leadership, and organizational leadership. The course runs every Thursday beginning on February 27th from 10:30 a.m. till 11:30 a.m. Central Time. For more information on any of these events or to register, visit smta.org/events. Not a member of SMTA? We can change that. Consider joining to receive the many benefits SMTA provides, including over 5,000 fully searchable technical papers in our knowledge base, on-demand 101 and advanced 201 level training courses, networking events, career resources, SMTA certification courses, and a network of local chapters around the world. And here's some great news. All online training courses are now included in your SMTA membership dues. Now there's even more value to SMTA membership with access to all of our training courses at no additional cost. If your employer is an SMTA corporate member, ask them to provide you with a login so you too can begin benefiting from all SMTA has to offer. Individual memberships are available for just pennies a day. For more information, visit smta.org. Well, that's it for February updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in March.